Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix taskbar not showing. So to resolve this problem, press Ctrl Alt Delete key together. Ctrl Alt Delete key. Then click on Task Manager. Now here click on File. Then click on Run New Task. Now here type explorer.exe. Check this box. Create this task with administrative privileges. Then click on OK. Now wait for few seconds. Then close and restart your system. So this way guys you can fix taskbar not showing. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and please comment this method work for you or not.